It's all, nigga. Fuck all that bickering beef. Who shot ya?
Yeah, boy. Big Mike. They need that high, man. They need that dope, man. So we gon' give them the fix.
Yeah.
Check me out though. Hey, my gun's popping like lip gloss. And where I'm from, the body's dropping like shit, boss. So run up and get your shit tossed. I got a fully automatic the same size as Rick Ross.
Your boy going hard. Let's go.
My gun's popping like lip gloss. And where I'm from, the body's dropping like shit, boss. So run up and get your shit tossed. I got a fully automatic the same size as Rick Ross. And don't forget that I'm rich, boss. I could pay to turn your brains into tartar fish sauce. So get shot or get lost. The foreign bitches looking at you like, ew, that shit's gross. I just cracked myself up. I'm so ahead of y'all, I gotta back myself up. And nowadays, everybody say they ballin'. I don't believe them one bit, I think they fraudin'. Last week they had to put a nigga in the coffin. He took more shots than a 91 Jordan. Twin Glocks, call him Mary Kate and Ashley Austin. Heard his heart beating through his shirt, I had to pause it.
Who shot ya? It's all, nigga. Fuck all that bickering beef. It's all, nigga. Fuck all that bickering beef. It's all, nigga. Fuck all that bickering beef. It's all, nigga. Fuck all that bickering beef.
I know you heard about the Mo streets, where young niggas pump crack and dump gas at the police. And these dope fiends OD. We got that butter that's known to leave a brother with no teeth. They think Frisco is so sweet until they come out there and get fed to the crows be. And find me where the hoes be. I wanna fuck your face, hold your head back like a nosebleed. I move slowly, pro-meth and codeine. Got my mind spinning like Ring Around the Rosie. I sell kush by the OZ, but when the feds come around, T.I., you don't know me. Quick to tell a bitch blow me. I was in Malibu too long, I'm back to the old me. Back to big black gats and red beans. I'm addicted to the dough, I'm a bread fiend. Yeah, I am your boy, ladies and gentlemen. The mixtape is being hosted by Big Mike. New York, stand the fuck up. Bay Area, stand the fuck up. Yeah, this is the fix. And you people are being fixed as we speak. You know what it is, man. Precise Gang. 17 Hertz, what's good, man? You already know what it is, baby. I'm in the motherfucking building, and I'm so high right now. I'm so high, people. Just look up. I'm on that cloud, shaped like a W. Precise music.